It's the start of the year. So as a business owner, influencer, photographer, what should I do? And how should I prepare? Because I know taxes are coming and I know I need to get my stuff in a row. So what should I do? That's what we're talking about in this video. Hi, I'm Cameron. I run BizBud, bookkeeping and tax company where we help you live your dreams and have more money while not giving more than you should to the governments, whatever government that may be. And in this video, we're going to talk about 3 things you need to be doing at the start of the year to just be a better business owner and win the tax game. Number 1 is that you need to figure out your bookkeeping. So if you don't know your revenue, if you don't know your expenses for last year, then that is the number 1 thing you need to figure out for last year. If you have a bookkeeper, then talk to them and they're not up to date yet. They should be. But if they're not, then talk to them, get that. Because right now you've been flying blind, and don't fly blind because you're not going to fly very far or very well if you're blind. But anyway, so bookkeeping, having great bookkeeping is the foundation of everything. And if you don't have someone, reach out to us. We're happy to help and get that sorted for you. Number 2, be on the lookout for 1099s. It is 1099 season at the end of January. All of 1099s should be in because they're due by the last day of January. Also, if you paid someone over $600, then you need to issue them a 1099. So if you paid a second shooter, you paid a video editor, someone, and they are American or a U.S. citizen or a resident, then you need to issue them that because it's required. If you don't know what that is, message us. We're happy to help. Or call a friend and you'll be okay. But be ready for those. You're going to get a lot of those. If you're like, I don't even know what address, I'm moving all the time, I'm a digital nomad, whatever, then go on your IRS account, log into your IRS account, and it'll pop up all the 1099s that were filed on you in one place, and you get them there. Download that transcript and send them to your tax preparer, and they'll help you out there. If you don't have one of those, message us again. So that's number 1, get your bookkeeping in order. Number 2, gather all your 1099s and all your documents, any documents you might have, and get those ready for tax time. And number 3 is make sure that you are ready for taxes. So set aside money for taxes. That's what we tell everyone. Set aside money for taxes. I know you want to not pay any tax, and we're here to help you pay as little tax as possible. But at the end of the day, if you're going to report income, you're going to be paying tax. So we recommend at the end of every month, you open up a new bank account. We recommend at a different bank than your normal business bank account, just mentally, so it's different, so you don't see it every day, and transfer 25 to 30% of all your net income into that other bank account. So you're planning for taxes. So every quarter, when you have to pay estimated quarterly taxes, you pay out of that bank account. We see too many content creators, too many influencers, too many of our clients that come to us and they've never done this and they're always behind. They never have money to pay tax. They don't have money to operate. So open up this bank account. It is from the Profit First method. We're not saying open up all the Profit First bank accounts, but at least get the tax bank account. Open that up, transfer that out each month, and you pay your tax from that account. When you come to tax time, you won't owe huge money because you've been paying throughout the year. You won't have penalties for underpayment, and you will have a much better start of the year doing that. So please trust us, do that. If you don't know what that is, ask a friend, message us. I don't want that to be you. So please. So yeah, if you just do those 3 things, you are going to be miles ahead of everyone else. And if that seems overwhelming, that seems hard to do, then that's okay. I know how that is. Sometimes just start with 1 thing, whether that's knowing how much revenue you made, whether that's looking at all the invoices you sent, be like, okay, that's my number. And then from there, you can build off that. You can be like, okay, I know I spent this much because I see my business credit card and I didn't mix business expenses with personal expenses on the same card because I would never do that. So at least I have that. Or if you did do that, then you have to pick them out. But that's what your bookkeeper does for you. So anyway, those are the 3 things. Get the year started off and get those habits built if you didn't do them last year, so you never have to be in this situation again. And when you're coming at the start of the year next year, 2027, then you'll be ready to go for the year and be killing it and be focused on how can I get more brands, how can I get more growth, how can I take my business to the next level and be where I want to be. So if that resonated with you, give us a like, subscribe, message us, tell us we're awesome, or tell us, hey, I need to and not talk about taxes so much. Anyway, regardless, we'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.